our food warmer for nacho cheese, hot fudge, and chili. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a height of at least 17 inches. 17 inches from the bottom to top of the pump. And minus the pump, we have 12 inches in height. Overall radius, we have 8 inches. Measurement for the spout will also be 8 inches in length. Coming to the bottom will be the temperature low to high feature. And on the inside is where you can keep your ingredients and product to serve. Measurement for the inside bowl will include 7 inches in diameter with a height of at least 7¼ inches. So with your ingredients inside the bowl, top cover closed, this pump will serve and dispense the hot chili, fudge, or nacho cheese that you're serving. Included will be a brush to clean the inside of the spout. This will be included with the purchase. Unit uses 110/120 voltage connection. Coming to the bottom will be the ETL certification along with the technical specifications for this warmer. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.